Win as much as 600,000 pesos in any of our electronic bingo sites. Bingo Pot in Magsaysay Drive beside Sam's Pizza. And Bingo Bonus in Barreto. Bingo Party located at RC Mall, East Bakbak Public Market. And your favorite bingo place, Bingo Party Traditional Bingo, is now open to serve you from 12:30 p.m. till 8:30 p.m. Bingo Pot is open from 11 a.m. to 4 a.m. Game responsibly. See you there.
And check the time. It's now 12:30 in the noontime. Time check brought to you by TAC, Treasure Amusement Corporation, and Bingo Pot, 895 Subic Bay Radio.
Friday Rewind.
How 80s are you?
Going home, E.T. phone home.
It's an 80s rewind
on 89.5.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Yes, you heard it right. How 80s are you? 80s, 90s, and a whole lot more. Friday Rewind. Whenever it's Friday, we do this. Okay? Tuwing Friday, syempre. Special ang Friday eh. Masarap balikan yung mga, alam mo na, the hits that you and I grew up with. Okay? Sa mga younger generation, kung hindi kayo nakaka-relate, listen to these cool songs from the past. I'm sure you'll love them pretty much. I'm pretty sure of that. Okay? So, tune in and stick around. Sa mga hindi pa or hindi pa masyadong familiar, hindi na masyadong familiar, I mean, sa mga 80s and 90s music. I guarantee you, they're all good. All right? So, we will be having our Christmas song of the hour from the Carpenters. Speaking of old songs, yeah, the Carpenters from their Christmas song is gonna be next from the 70s. Okay, but first, time once again for some of the latest piece of news from in and around Subic Bay, Freeport. We have this advisory for everybody coming from the Public Health and Safety Group. All right, the SBMA PHSD will be having the town hall meeting on Mpox, which was formerly known as the monkeypox, open for all SBMA employees, locators, residents, and other stakeholders. All right, AKA everybody, everyone can attend. Okay, this will be on September 24, 2024, 9 a.m. to 12 noon at the Subic Bay Exhibition and Convention Center, Function Hall B. This town hall meeting is time allowed activity for SBMA employees from 9 a.m. to 12 noon. Okay, department and office safety officers and their alternates are enjoined to participate in this activity to equip them with knowledge on how to prevent, detect, and manage Mpox in the workplace. Okay? Now, interested parties may avail. Okay? Interested parties may avail of the free shuttle service to and from SBECC's BEC, the Subic Bay Exhibition and Convention Center. Ayan, may free shuttle pa pala. Okay? So, pwede nyong pwedeng sumakay, syempre. Kaya nga free shuttle eh. So again, the free shuttle is gonna be from 8:15 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. Ayan, papunta kayo, okay? At the back of Building 229 in front of Building 255. So once again, the PHSD, Public Health and Safety Group, all right, of the SBMA is gonna be having the town hall meeting on Mpox, monkeypox, September 24. Mark your calendars. September 24 falls on anong araw ba yung 24? Let me check. Tuesday. Ayan, Tuesday yon. Next, not this coming Tuesday, but the other Tuesday. Alright? Kasi yung next Tuesday after etong next coming week is 17. Alright? So that's very, very important. With a resource person nga pala, resource speaker, Dr. Erlinda M. Alconga, Fellow, Philippine Society for Microbiology and Infectious Diseases. Also, there's a QR code that you can scan if you want to register online. Okay? So, the QR code is posted on the related SBMA and SBFC pages. So, just look it up. Okay? I-search nyo na lang po. So, that's the invite for you. The town hall meeting on Mpox, on monkeypox, happening September 24. All right? And additional announcement, tomorrow naman, Saturday, tuloy na. Ito yung na rescheduled. Supposed to be last Saturday, but it was rescheduled for tomorrow. Kasi last Saturday, alam nyo naman, our situation, it was raining. Walang katapusang pag-ulan na brought about by, well, Typhoon Enteng was present during then. Pero yung nagpapaulan sa atin, hindi si Typhoon Enteng, alam nyo ba yon? Nung tuloy-tuloy yung pag-ulan natin, it was the brought about by the hangin habagat, southwest monsoon. Sabi, hindi pumasok si Enteng sa atin, sa area natin. Hindi siya dumaan dito sa atin, sa area natin. It was the southwest monsoon na nagdala ng pag-ulan na walang tigil sa atin. Okay? So the Recyclables Collection event in Biniktikan will be happening September 14, tomorrow na. This is tomorrow. So bring your recyclables. Everyone is welcome. It's gonna be happening at the vacant lot beside Gobstopper, Biniktikan. Okay, from 9 a.m. until 11:30 a.m. in partnership with Fuchi Trading and Tetra Pak Philippines. Okay, so bring your used beverage cartons and other recyclable materials. Please clean and dry them up before putting it in the recycling bins. Okay. So you're all invited, everybody, September 14, tomorrow, Saturday, Recycling Day in Biniktikan, 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. And right about now, we would like to invite you to join us for 3 consecutive nights of laughter. Kung gusto nyo atinan lahat, iba-iba kasing venue eh. Kung gusto nyo atinan lahat, pwede. Mas maganda. Una muna, September 20, the Laugh Trip Comedy Crew with Kuya Alex Calleja. Wow! Headliner siyempre si Kuya Alex Calleja. Ayan. Kasama sila Kuya Mac Navarez, ang tropa natin na magagaling magpatawa. Pati na rin si Trixie Corpez of the Sketchy Paradise. Siya yung parang musical entertainer nila. Okay? Ayan. And kasama pa sa lineup, naku, nandoon din yung mga iba pang magagaling magpatawa na na comedy crew nga na members ng grupo ni Kuya Alex Calleja. They call themselves the Comedy Crew. Ayan, okay? Ito yung lineup nila eh. Teka, binubuksan ko yung kopyahan ko. Siyempre it's gonna be spearheaded by Kuya Alex Calleja, kasama rin si Victor Obepa. Ayan, si Kuya Yuki Horikoshi, tsaka si Rex Millora, Schneider Maximo, Dawit Tabonares, or Dawit. Minsan napanood ko to eh, sabi niya, Dawit. Yan. Anthony Andres, Israel Buena Obra, and Gris Junio. Mga nakakatawa tong lahat ng mga to. Alam mo, pag nanonood ka ng comedy crew show ni Kuya Alex Calleja, pag lumabas kang hindi nakangiti or hindi natuwa, may problema sa'yo, magpa-check up ka na. Oh, tapos mo manood, sambakol pa rin yung mukha mo. Something's wrong with you. Yeah, ito yung lineup nila and the schedule. Okay? September 20, they're gonna be at the Cork Room. Building 724 Dewey Avenue, Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Okay? At 9 p.m. Alright? That's the Cork Room dito sa Subic Bay Freeport. Malapit yan sa Bay Point Hospital. Ha? September 21, The Palace, Magsaysay Drive, Olongapo City, 9 p.m. ang start. Okay? And may special promo, may special offer sa The Palace. Yung ticket na 550 pesos, may kasama ng 1 free drink. Ayan. Yung sa The Palace ha, September 21 yon, 9 p.m. Magsaysay Drive, Olongapo City. It's near the, malapit sa Station B, Police Station B. Alright? And then September 22 naman, Bruce Buddy in Magsaysay Drive din. Malapit din sa almost in front of the Station B, Police Station B. Okay? Yung sa Bruce Buddy naman, 8 p.m. ang simula, September 22. Alright? Number 31, Magsaysay Drive, Olongapo City. Okay? So, buy your tickets now. You can buy your tickets early. If you want to buy your tickets, pwede nyong i-message 0966-561-1088 si Kuya Mac Navarez. Alright? So, catch the Laugh Trip Comedy Nights with an S dahil 3 series of comedy nights ito with Kuya Alex Calleja and yung mga tropa nating komedyante. Yan. Alright, official radio partner is 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Wow, this is gonna be awesome. I'm gonna be there definitely. I wouldn't miss it for the world. Alright, so buy your tickets now. Once again, 0966-561-1088. Kuya Mac Navarez is on standby to take your orders. Okay? So those are the invites for you coming from us here at 895 Subic Bay Radio. And this time, the invites naman coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. First up, job openings muna, okay? They are looking for a marketing manager at SM City Olongapo Downtown. So apply now, bring your resume there. I-ready nyo na yung resume nyo. And you may apply directly. Just go there at the SM Downtown, okay? And also, aside from that, Great Image is having a special promo. Photo session plus 5-hour print for only 499 pesos na lang. Dating more than 700 to dati. Okay? So visit Great Image now at the 4th level of SM City Olongapo Central. Also now open at SM City Olongapo Central is Ari Beauty and Spa. Yung mga maganda na, gusto pang magpa-beauty lalo. Maganda ka na, gaganda ka pa. Visit Ari Beauty and Spa at SM City Olongapo Central. It's now open at the 3rd level of SM Central. And Kabayan Tuesdays, happening every first Tuesday of the month. Brought to you by BDO Remit and SM Supermalls. Okay, bring your Kabayan BDO Remit passbook or card for OFWs and their families. Additional 10% off on SM affiliate stores like Miniso, Watsons, even the cinemas. Kasali dyan, ha? Additional 10% off for you and your family, the OFWs. Every first Tuesday of the month. And for those who regularly attend Mass, we are inviting you, might as well attend at the SM City Olongapo Central, Sundays 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. at the ground level near Starbucks. The Sunday Mass happening at SM City Olongapo Central. And next up, showing now is Hellboy, one of the most awaited movies. Hellboy now showing, okay? And also, I'm gonna give you the complete lineup of movies, what's showing right now for both the SM Downtown and SM Central cinemas. Okay, first up, we have the lineup for SM Downtown. Cinema 1, Unhappy For You. Cinema 2, Beetlejuice, back-to-back with Strange Darling. And Cinema 3, Hellboy. There you go, The Crooked Man, back-to-back with Speak No Evil. And for SM City Olongapo Central, Cinema 1, Strange Darling. Cinema 2, Hellboy. Cinema 3, Beetlejuice. Cinema 4, Unhappy For You. Cinema 5, Speak No Evil. And Cinema 6, Survive, back-to-back with Afraid. Alright, so there you have it. You can buy your tickets early para makapili kayo ng seats na gusto nyo, di ba? Pag bumili ka sa ticket para, ng online na ticket, parang nagre-reserve ka early, di ba? You can choose the seating location that you want. That's the awesome thing about it, okay? So gonna be playing my next Cool Friday Rewind song. This one's coming from The Carpenters, our Christmas song of the hour. Do You Hear What I Hear? 895 Subic Bay Radio.